Right, good afternoon, everyone. It is 3:30 on the 22nd of January, 26. So Dow Jones, I've been watching this. So yesterday we had a big move up. That was from Donald Trump. What was that for now? Can't remember what. Anyway, he said something good, and the price moved up. Something to do with tariffs, if I remember. But seems to be a lot of people, well, on trading view, it's going to go up to 50,250 today, blah, 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 blah. Right, if we look at this logically, and you can see this better from the daily chart, with the lines, so we can see the market structure a bit better. So if we start down here, we've got low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, low. And then, so we've, at this point here, which was the all-time highs, we've broken down to go to a lower high, but we didn't break through. So we've got a lower high here, and then we broke through this area, which brought us down to a lower low. So unless we can break this area here, this 49,438 area, I'd be looking for sells, to be honest with you. But to be fair, with how it's looking today anyway, there's a good chance that a daily candle could close above that, which if we do close bullish above this area, then I'd be looking for a retracement back down to buy again, because if we buy at this point, we're at a high anyway, so it's a high risk buy. If we see from today's candle, anyone that was trying to plan that anyway, they'd have been stopped straight out, if they've got a short tight stop loss. So if we close above this area today on the daily candle, I'll probably be looking between this area maybe. We've got the 4 hour 50 EMA, we'll go down to the 1 hour, we've got the 200 down and the 50 EMAs coming together there. If we go to the daily chart and then the line chart as well, if we were thinking like an institution, I'd be looking for buys between this low and possibly this low, because there's going to be a bit of liquidity on this area from people taking buys. So anywhere really between this area and this area for a buy, as long as we break this area, that's what I'd be looking for.